Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bila from Global Essence Relief Indonesia. Alhamdulillah, today we are at Ibnu Sina Global Essence Relief Ma'had, specifically in Aceh Barat Daya, Indonesia. So we are in here in context to hand overing the new building of multimedia rooms and also library. This building were donated by the Germany Muslim through the Muslim Helpen. So actually this building has been rebuilt again, started from October 2022, because of in the past Shawwal month, this all were burned down. So it's rebuilt again, and it will have 19 beneficiaries from orphans and also duafa that study in this ma'had. Here we are in one of Ibnu Sina students. Her name is Siti, and here we are now in the new multimedia room building, and everybody's here are very happy. Siti and all of her friends are very happy because they not only have the new building but also computers.
Senang selama gedung ini dibuat, saya bisa belajar komputer bersama kawan-kawan saya. Selama ini saya tidak pernah main komputer. Semoga donatur sehat selalu, menambah rezeki, panjang umurnya. Terima kasih donatur. Lebih lancar belajar, lebih baik belajar, lebih semangat belajar.
Kami dari Ma'had tentu sangat berterima kasih kepada Muslim Helpen, kemudian masyarakat Muslim Jerman melalui Global Essence Relief Indonesia yang telah membantu dalam hal pembangunan ruang perpustakaan dan lab multimedia ini. Dan tentu ini akan sangat bermanfaat bagi santri di Ma'had ini untuk dipergunakan perpustakaan untuk meningkatkan pengetahuan dan literasi dari santri. Kemudian juga komputer itu akan sangat bermanfaat untuk kemampuan mereka dalam hal teknologi informasi dan juga perkembangan mereka mengenal dunia ke depan.
We are from Global Essence Relief Indonesia would like to say thank you very much to all of the donors for all the contribution and also the help. We hope in the future we can receive more contribution so that we can start to build another building from this ma'had. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.